Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mercy. That's my beauty room I'm working on today. So as you can see, that's the before, now's the after. My beauty room is so gorgeous. Okay guys, let's get started. This vanity light, so I'm gonna do it myself. I didn't do a full tutorial on how I did it, but as you can see, if you want me to do a full tutorial, just comment down below. I have the part one where I did the floor. I put it up there, you can check it out. Pretty much what I'm doing right now is cutting the wires. They have like two set of wires, white and black, so I'm cutting them so I can like adjust all the pieces together. Like I said before, it's not really a full tutorial where I'm explaining everything I'm doing from A to Z. For those of you that new to this channel, welcome. I'm so grateful to have you here. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my nails, I do my hair, I do home decor, clean, lifestyle, everything. So I'm currently in nursing school. I'm a couple months away to graduate, and I'm going to start doing some nursing vlog and other lifestyle things. So if there anything particular that you want me to do, so I'm open to do everything because I'm an all-purpose woman. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, okay? Whenever I upload, you'll be the first to know. I will put the link of everything that I use in the description box down below. Now I'm pretty much finished with the vanity light. I'm going to I'm putting the wires right now, and I'm going to test it to see if all of them work, because after you put everything together, you have to try to see if it works before you can and tape and do everything. So pretty much everything it's okay, so I'm taping them. This ball I get it from Home Depot. They will cut the length that you want. I needed a big light, so I just measure the vanity light that I want, and I bring to them and they cut it for me. So after I put them together, I paint it. I didn't show it on the video, and after paint it, I'm just using the Gorilla glue to put the mirror. So everything is pretty much done.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times.
Okay guys, this is a finished look. I'm truly satisfied with the result. Even I'm not finished with the room yet because I got some storage problem, and believe it, it's like half of my stuff right now. So I'm doing some DIY, and when I'm done with all of them, I'm gonna just like do a complete beauty room tour. So guys, if you guys like it just the way I do, just don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Keep watching. This is a 360 makeup holder, and I use it for my brush holder too, for my acrylic stuff. So I really like it. You just turn it, and this is my IKEA cabinet, so I put some makeup on it. And I'm not a big makeup person, but I use makeup sometimes in time. And this is my blanks. I really like to do my nails. Those are some of my acrylic products, because I make my glitters by myself. Those are my nail brushes, nail tips, and my nail form, buffers, and other stuff. And those down there are my nail builders, my gel builders, and Those are my acrylic stuff from Valentino, Glam and Glitz, and I got some young nails too. So guys, I got pretty much good stuff, and I'm working on some storage right now to put the rest of my stuff because I don't have nowhere to put my hair products and other stuff that I have related to beauty. Once I'm done with everything, I'm gonna do a beauty room tour again, so to show you the finished look, the complete finished look. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it. So if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.